All right. So we're here. Can I have your quiet attention, please? So we're here on part three. We're thinking about poaching, right? And you're going to be asked a question about traits of elephants before poaching and after poaching. So let me show you Data Explorer and some of the things it lets us do. Look up, please. So we're able to make several different types of graphs in Data Explorer. Histograms are like the bird data you saw. They show you the spread of data for one particular trait. It's different than seeing the average. You can see the spread of the data like you did for bird beaks on the gizmo. The second type of a scatter plot that uses two numerical variables and it shows the relationship between the variables. It uses dots to represent those observations. The third graph type we'll talk about is a bar graph. It compares data in different categories, and you can use a bar to represent an average, a mean, or a count, a total number for each category. Quiet, please. So this might look like the graph that you are making right now. This one, for example, is one about does tusk length predict how tall an elephant was going to be? Is tusk length related to elephant height? And they might think, well, I bet if you're a taller elephant, you might have a longer tusk, right? And so that's shown here. So you make a scatter plot because it's two numeric variables, and you make that plot. Look up, please. However, when you get to the second question that's asking you about averages, you are going to want to make a bar graph. And this is really important. You're thinking about poaching before and after. So is your bars going to be about the years of sample collection or the sex? Is it going to be about when the data was collected if you're thinking about before and after poaching? Or is it going to be about the sex of the elephant? Yeah, years before and after. So you'll get to this point where it's going to ask you about categorical variables. You're going to do an average on the y-axis. It'll show you how to do that. But you're going to pick years of sample collection when you get to part three. All right, that's it for me. I hope you're doing well out there. See you soon.